Weather and a chilly morning turned into a cool day.
Storm Tracker meteorologist Jared Piepenburg is tracking weather that's a little warmer. Just a little in this first look at weather.
Just a little bit more for tomorrow, but this morning was definitely a chilly one. If you were up early, I'm sure you noticed that. It was maybe light jacket weather for a little while. We had some 40s. There were even some reports up in northern and northeastern parts of North Dakota down to some lower 40s. Started off at 49 in Fargo-Moorhead, 48 in Grand Forks. Temps right now in the mid-70s. A little breeze out of the northwest. You can feel the drier air, though. It's just kind of making it feel a little bit cooler. Almost feels like fall. I noticed that yesterday evening when I was outside. But here's a look at those winds. Still out of the northwest, drawing in a little bit cooler and drier air. How dry? Well, dew points are in the 40s right now, well away from not too long ago at last weekend. I don't remember how muggy that was. So dry air is settled in. It's going to be a little bit cooler here. If you're going to be grilling this evening, still going to be a pretty solid one. We should be in the 70s for just maybe the next couple hours before dropping off into the 50s with just a few clouds along the way. I think tomorrow morning will just be a little bit warmer than what we had this morning, but still kind of crisp out there. We'll have that Friday forecast not too long from now.
Night Community Center.
And Jared, some of that dirt's going to be kind of muddy maybe. We have some chance for showers.
Yeah. Some folks are looking for some rain. I hear it all the time. So my lawn could use a little bit. Can you pull the right levers? Well, I've been trying here, folks. We're looking at some clear sky right now. It won't be raining for us this evening. It's actually just feeling almost fall-like, almost like a nice September day with a little northwesterly breeze. Plenty of sunshine out there, just a few clouds. Temps-wise, mainly in some mid-70s along that I-29 corridor. 75 right now in Fargo-Moorhead. We have 76 in Grand Forks and already in some upper 60s in Bemidji. So a little bit cooler there at the moment. Really not much to show you across the region. High pressure is in control, just meaning that we have some very stable air just hanging out with us. And it'll be around the area for tonight into tomorrow. And it'll slowly drift away from us as we continue throughout your Friday. Here's Friday morning. It's going to be hints of some showers and storms off toward our west. Our in-house computer model has brought this next wave with the showers and thunderstorms a little bit farther to the south of us. I still think we'll have a shot late in the day on Friday for the valley. You notice that it's in the bottom of your screen. I think there's a shot that this will be a little bit farther northward and kind of impact us here for the valley. So watch for some showers and thunder showers on Friday night, and some of that will linger around into Saturday. In-house computer model does bring a few of those scattered showers and a few rumbles over us for Saturday afternoon, and then kind of moving across Minnesota. Behind that, I think we should have a little drier Sunday coming up here with some sunshine, but not too far away. Another chance for some rain will move in potentially Sunday night into Monday. So a couple chances here in the next few days. Next 12 hours ahead here, if you're going to be out and about this evening, mowing lawn or whatnot, they're going to be hanging out in the 70s for the next couple hours, then some 60s. We'll just slowly cool off into some 50s overnight by tomorrow morning. Some of us will be starting off in some upper 40s again. So it'll be close to what we had this morning, but maybe not as chilly. Some of us will be in the lower 50s. Tomorrow's wind trend should be pretty light out of the south, and that'll help give us just a few more degrees in terms of our high temperatures for tomorrow, where today most of us are in the 70s. Tomorrow I think we'll be in those mid to upper 70s with some approaching 80, which actually could be our warmest day of the forecast for a little while. And I'll be talking about that in the 7-day forecast.
Seems strange to think about.
I know. Just went from the 80s to near 90, and then now we're
a reminder
70s.
But for the kids, school starting.
All right, thanks. Looking ahead in weather, and we'll stay cool with a chance of rain, Jared.
Yeah, it kind of sums it up here for most of this forecast. Tomorrow we will be dry for most of the day. We'll start off around 52. We're up to 80 for tomorrow. One of our warmest days, if not the warmest days of the next 7. Watch for some showers and thunder showers Friday night, still into Saturday. Some of those scattered. 77 for your Saturday forecast. More sunshine on Sunday, up to 75. Sunday night, Monday, another shot at some showers and thunder showers. Monday may end up being a little bit on the cloudier side with just occasional rain shower, maybe a couple rumbles throughout the day. Mid-70s most of next week. At the end of this forecast period, I do have 78 on the board there for Thursday. It does look like we may get a little brief warm-up with another shot at some 80s, maybe by the following weekend if we're looking out a little bit farther than past the next 7 days. But in the meantime, most of our afternoons will be hanging out in the 70s. Tomorrow, though, up to 80 for the high, which still means most of the afternoon we're in the 70s. Showers and thunder showers in Grand Forks for Friday night into Saturday. 75 Sunday. Sunday is going to be a pretty solid day for us with plenty of sunshine.
All right. Thank you, Jared.